Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Name the wild dogs of Australia. The answer is dingo.
Dingoes, the wild dogs of Australia, are known for their unique vocalizations. They can produce a wide range of sounds including howls, barks, and even a distinctive laugh that resembles human laughter. So next time you're in the Australian outback, listen closely, you might just hear these playful pups cracking jokes.
Question 2. A 42-foot sperm whale contains approximately 7 tons of what substance? The answer is oil.
A 42-foot sperm whale has about 7 tons of oil in it. This oil, known as spermaceti, was highly sought after by whalers in the past for its use in lamps and candles. Interestingly, spermaceti is not actually whale sperm, but a waxy substance found in the whale's head that helps with buoyancy and echolocation.
Question 3. In ancient Rome, what were auburn-haired puppies sacrificed for to ensure an abundant harvest? The answer is corn crop.
In ancient Rome, the belief that sacrificing auburn-haired puppies would ensure a plentiful corn crop might seem bizarre to us today. However, it was rooted in their understanding of symbolism and the color red being associated with fertility. Thankfully, modern agricultural practices have evolved significantly since then.
Question 4. What does the pancreas produce? The answer is insulin.
Did you know that the pancreas, besides producing insulin, also secretes another hormone called glucagon? While insulin helps lower blood sugar levels, glucagon does the opposite by raising them. It's like a tag team duo working together to maintain our body's glucose balance.
Question 5. Who invented nylon? The answer is an American chemist named William H. Carruthers.
William H. Carruthers, the American chemist who invented nylon, was not only a brilliant scientist but also a man with an interesting sense of humor. Legend has it that he once gifted his wife a nylon stocking and told her it was made from artificial silk. Little did she know that she was wearing the very first pair of nylon stockings ever created.
Question 6. What is measured in amps? The answer is electric current.
Did you know that the unit of measurement for electric current, amps, is named after the French physicist André-Marie Ampère? Ampère made significant contributions to the field of electromagnetism, and his work led to the development of our understanding of electric currents. So, next time you turn on a light or charge your phone, remember it's all thanks to Mr. Ampère.
Question 7. In the air, puffins demonstrate their strength by flapping their. The answer is wings.
Puffins, those adorable seabirds with colorful beaks, have a surprising secret when it comes to flying. While most birds flap their wings up and down, puffins actually beat their wings in a figure-8 motion. This unique technique allows them to maneuver swiftly through the air and dive underwater with precision.
Question 8. In 1937, American Chester Carlson invented a process called xerography. What do we know it as today? The answer is photocopying.
Before Chester Carlson's invention of xerography in 1937, making copies was a tedious and time-consuming task. But did you know that the first photocopy ever made was actually a simple handwritten note? Carlson wrote October 22, 38 Astoria on a piece of paper and successfully reproduced it using his groundbreaking invention, forever changing the way we make copies today.
And with that, we bid adieu to the world of atoms and ecosystems. Remember, in the game of science and nature, curiosity always wins. Keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.